This sound is keeping people up at night.
When something like this that's pretty foreign, it kind of stands out to you.
Brendan Markham says last night was the loudest it's been in Northside.
It almost didn't stop for a couple hours.
We were hearing this like siren-like quality noise, whirring, oscillating up and down. My son came up to me and said, "Dad, the tornado sirens are going off."
And it's been happening every night since.
And it kind of stresses me out because I don't know what it is, and it's kind of scary.
Sean Harold just wants to know when it'll stop.
We just hope to get to the bottom of it, figure out what it is, and if it's, a temporary thing or not, and hopefully the community can, rally if it's not temporary, because it's really impacting us.